I want to use this opportunity to say a big congratulations to Nmiri Eweilo Kalakwu. No fever kai madara wona ndi niile no under investigation ya natase. It is a matter of time. Yes. Then secondly, I am very, very happy and grateful that my point from day one has been explained, that the governor of Anambra State is not fighting on the ordinary. The government of Anambra State is not in any way fighting on the ordinary. That is to tell you that the return of Nmiri Eweilo has proven a point which I always point out. Now, governor, more the government of Anambra State are fighting the ordinary. I made my last video concerning this issue, and I said, there were so many ordinary activities in Anambra State. They are not being disturbed by the government. The government is just trying to fish out the bad eggs same way. Ni more ordinary. The government see no blue den your chai obona kai idiota never anything man the opposition people and that organiru Anambra is just pushing the narrative na governor na fighting the ordinary. Governor they are fighting the ordinary. That is what I want to make clear. Governor they are fighting the ordinary. Government they are fighting the ordinary. The government belongs to the ordinary and the Uka. Most of the people in the government won't ordinary. Most of them won't do Uka. So any justification to fight in the ordinary. So even now one the ordinary, Nandio traditional worshippers, the government of Anambra State is not fighting you. Mgbe governor anara emeghali concerning this particular issue suna agayalin. Akpolo governor n'ọnụ. Mgbe obido meghali alu. Akpolo governor n'ọnụ. Mana the only thing iji akpụ governor n'ọnụ abụrụ iwe ọzọ is because na renga na-egbuke. Egotago ingoliment. The only reason iji akpụrụ governor n'ọnụ abụrụ iwe ọzọ because o metutabele onye nke. Abuna insecurity problem when Anambra State emetugo onye nke. My dear, you understand the reason why you should support the government to fight insecurity. Ibu onye ọchịchị adịrị easy. It is as simple as that. If you see something, you say something. Onwere onye na fight ndị ordinary. The government is not fighting ndị ordinary. I told you people about how I went to Iguaro, ndị Okuzu Ibilibo Ogada. They were doing their thing. Government did not harass anybody, did not abuse anybody there. I went to Egunnam in Ugben. Government did not harass anybody or abuse anybody. I went to Owako for their cultural festival. Government did not. Ezen Regularo, government did not abuse anybody in the Eguaro Ndibo of Ezenre. The government is doing their work to ensure the safety of citizens. Una allows na nda choro organiru di na Anambra to come and bring enmity or to come and Kabaya sad in mind. I thank the governor because on against even in an amen, he has to work to put a good record, a good legacy for his tenure. As long as I'm concerned, Solu then will an opposition. Solu then will oppose. Now, I won't in a put a governor this time around, eh? Chima will go je choy yalo. Je choy je go me. Look at the government house. Look at the recreational facility. Look at hospital. Look at the education. Look at how works are going around. Already even in a soludo ne dozen Anambra State. Manimo obodo. Ejemu Obako. Side omunze ufuma. Where baba pandre igaweche umuchuku. Where baba nime bavo. I esimu Amansi Junction where jebe DJ with CEO Rocklink. Obako. Okuya. Akwa the village. I went there and I was surprised na Governor Lugide Uzo Banata Abe Mmadi. Even as deep as those villages are. It wasn't no gay election, loan and through Soludo. Go to Uben. Go to Ebenebe. Go to Obofemi. Go to Uben. Go to Amanse. Kemakifite Road. And so many on. Nanre Bani, Omwebe Governor Lolani. Nanre Bani, Omwebe Soludo Lolani Fulanya. Mana ndo lugolalo kanji ekulie. Ndo lugolalo kanji ekunyelie. When I talk and one day ordinary, who creates an enmity between the government and you people. I want to assure you that the government is not fighting the ordinary. The government is not fighting the omenana. The government is for all of us, for the betterment of all of us. That is what I mean. I am not explaining to you. I am creating content on my page. For content purpose and to make money. I am not explaining to you. I don't owe you any explanation. The more you comment on my video, the more money I make. But I'm trying to correct your reasoning. That the government ain't with time for you. They are busy creating a legacy that will stand the test of time. Building bridges, building road, connecting to the center. Like when you connect to the center, you'll be able to put a request. The president accept one, analyze and accept one. What they go for that? Let us support the governor. I'm not the whole people will not support the governor, but let the learned, like I said, Honorable Minister of War Kuku, where say now the people that are not supporting the current government of Anambra State are people that are looking for their belly. Because now Ochichi Soludo favorai, enyere appointment, more enyere contract, more no where you with it. Ine kuto, ina akoto the government. Ine kuto, ine ku against the government. Manane wuluba no favor, ine will commissioner money one appointee. That is when you will come out to talk good things about the government. So even now, why I don't think I am jobless. Being a content creator, a blogger on Facebook with a Facebook profile account that was opened in 2008 has given me opportunity to earn money. Content monetization. So don't think it's jobless. The video I'm doing it for resourceful purpose. So ma wuni feeling and the jobless. Ma wuni feeling and the jobless. I do not care. Anything that happens, I bring out my time to analyze it, post it as a content on my page and collect my money. Buaka!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment. Thank you for watching. God bless you.